are these little like scale sets. I think they're so cool. And here is like all like the Gringotts ones. So that's like the Lestrange Vault. And then we've got actual Gringotts when it was like the dragon came. And then got with the, that's where like the dragon was. And then this one's the vaults. Oh, look, with the track. And then the caves too. Oh, can you hear him? Now we're going into Gringotts itself, and it's really, really good. Like really gorgeous. Okay, so you go to the vaults down there. That's where we put Sophia when she's naughty.
That's where I'll put you when you're naughty. That's where I'll put you when you're
Okay, so we're going into Gringotts now when the dragon comes, and it's probably like one of the best parts of the tour. Sophia is scared of it, but she'll be fine. Can you hear it? It's coming. They're coming. Kind of cute really, isn't it? Okay, so that's Gringotts done. And now, here we go. Diagon Alley! Where are we? Do you know where we are?
Yes.
Where?
In the town.
In the town. The town, apparently. No, he's here. There we're walking through the Diagon Alley. I love the music in the background. So we got Ollivanders. Trying to take pictures and vlog at the same time, it's like so hard, but we're giving it a go.
I thought you were up there with me.
Look at all the ice cream. Slug and Jiggers Apothecary. Look at the little table up there, that's cute, man. No, you're not.
Why are we trapped? Oh, you can get that.
Quidditch.
Imagine if it came here and it was running after us. Imagine that. Imagine if it came here and it was running
Oh, look at that snitch.
Imagine that. There's someone. We can go in the shop there.
Okay, so that's Diagon Alley. Okay, and the next bit is another one of my favourites, and I've said that about everything right now, but this one really is. And this is all about set design. So again, there's like really cute little models of all the sets, and it's brilliant. Like, I just love it. And look, there's like castle, little things, and like plans on like all the different things, like the Beauxbatons carriage up there. It's a Death Eater, bro. Okay, and then we have all the little
Oh, look at that little Hogwarts.
the little models. I really love these little models. I think they're brilliant.
Look, there's a little person on the
There's
bridge.
even giraffes. Giraffes.
Giraffe?
Giants.
Person on the
There's
bridge.
even giraffes. Giraffes.
Giraffe?
Giants.
There's a little person on the
There's
bridge.
even giraffes. Giraffes.
Giraffe?
Giants.
Yeah, on the bridge. There's the little people.
So like little giants. I presume this is been set up as like the battle of Hogwarts.
And there's like his house down there. And there's someone, and I think that one's Harry Potter. It's really teeny tiny.
Look, they put the Beauxbatons carriage up there now.
This is all made out of snow sand, isn't it?
It's card and paper.
Hard and paper.
The one below.
Look at that boat, that boat. Can you see that boat? Is it made out of a normal boat? Mummy, look.
Nocturne
There's
Alley.
Hogwarts in the sack.
What's that?
For real? For real Hogwarts?
When you see it, you'll think it's cool.
Okay. There's one that we saw, isn't it?
I'm a bit disappointed they have models for everything except for Malfoy
I
Manor.
can't wait for the little Hogwarts. Can you-
Prefect's bathroom.
The bathroom that the
Oh, look, there's the taps.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's the big taps.
The carriage is flying
Yeah.
through the air, down the river.
Are you ready to do Hogwarts?
Okay, now for the main event.
Ready?
There it is. Hogwarts.
What do you think? You like it? Want to have a closer look?
Yeah. Oh, look down there. You're actually not down there.
Yeah.
We go down there.
You can go and have a closer look there, but what do you think?
So cool. It's like the real Hogwarts, isn't it?
Yeah.
way down. I really want to have a closer look because
Look all the way around.
yeah.
Come here.
Okay. That's what I thought.
Sophia, stay with me.
Like that dragon.
Come on, I'll go around that. Funny?
Come on.
Oh, should I go jump down there? So cool. It's even taller than me. So cool. And I think Harry even lived in there.